Amritakarshini.
Amritakarshini.
My Guru.
Amritakarshini.
Sarirakarshini.
Sarirakarshini. Sarirakarshini.
Sarvasa Paripuraka Chakra Swamini.
Sarvasa Paripuraka Chakra Swamini. Sarvasa Paripuraka Chakra Swamini.
Gupta Yogini.
Gupta Yogini. Gupta Yogini.
And that finishes the second hour. Now we move on to the third hour now, where we have got 8 Ananga Devatas. They are also called Ashtalakshmis by some people. And who are they? Ananga Kusume.
Ananga Kusume. Ananga Kusume.
From now onwards, you do something which can be remembered for long by the people. Lead an idealistic life. All the dharmas are given in Gitas. Bhagavad Gita. So many Gitas are there. Not only Gita, Guru, parents, Shastras. Follow that. Definitely, you'll be Amrita. My Guru's name is also Amritanandanatha. Amrita Ananda. Permanent bliss. If he was not there in my life at the age of 27, I would have been retired as an executive engineer in irrigation department, wearing a pant and shirt and waiting for the ultimate to happen. Nobody will talk to me, I know. The youngsters, the family members, they don't talk to the grandparents continuously. They just say namaskar. Is that the life we want? What a great life my Guru has given to me. Amritananda has given an Amrita life for me. Every moment I'm enjoying the permanency. So that is Amritakarshini. Up to this, Namakarshini, Bijakarshini, Atmakarshini, Amritakarshini, all the Akarshini devatas are there. Shabdakarshini, Sparshakarshini, Rupakarshini. He started with Kamakarshini, Buddhyakarshini, desire. From the desire state, it came to Amritakarshini. So there's wonderful progress. But every time you study well, you have an exam. And the examination here is Sarirakarshini. Again, at any moment, you can come back at the skin level. There are 3 shariras. Stula Sarira, Sukshma Sarira, Karana Sarira. Stula Sarira, not permanent. It will go away. Sukshma Sarira also will go away at one point. Karana Sarira, the causal for which these 2 shariras have come. Karana Sarira cannot be called as Sharira because Shiryate iti Shariraha. That means that one which perishes is Sharira. Anything. That thought is also a Sharira. It comes and goes, perishes. So what is happening is this Sthula Sharira, if you are attracted only towards the Sthula Sharira, you are driven by your thoughts. And Sukshma Sarira doesn't have any role to play. It goes directly to the Karana Sarira and contaminates the Karana. Apparent Karana. All of us have been born with a great cause. Brahmanda Karana. They know the cause for which they are born. We don't know the Karana for which we are born. That's the only difference. So, this person affected by the desires, this Karana Sarira is also affected. When this body, physical body perishes, it exists in the Sukshma Sarira for that 1 year, 12 layers, and analyzes the good and bad. the do's and don'ts, what it has done. And Karana Sarira, under the influence of the given information, thinks about another Sthula Sarira. And the Sukshma Sarira goes into the next Sthula Sarira and enjoys. After a while, the Sukshma Sarira also perish, but Karana Sarira remains. These are the Shariras. But what I need to do, I need to connect with my Karana Sarira, which is not a Sarira at all, purpose of life. And always analyze, is it necessary for me? We do analyze. We have 3 Vairagyas. Shmashana Vairagya, Purana Vairagya, Prasuti Vairagya. When somebody like me talks about all this spirituality and Nadamadum Daivam, people naturally think, we know, it's a great life. We should always be like that. We should never get angry. What a great information that person has given. The moment this pravachan is over, 5 o'clock, the show is over. Who put the light here? They shout. Purana Vairagya. Where is that knowledge gone? You are not responsible. That's her play. Shmashana Vairagya. You go along with the dead body all along the road. Life, what is their life? Water bubble, we come and go. And then lot of emotion also will come. When everything is, you can't expect. You come back, take a shower, head bath. With that bath, all the Vairagya is gone. Maybe not today, the next day you switch on the TV. What happened to the serial? I missed a lot. Smashana Vairagya. I'm sorry, I'm telling the truth. If not today, tomorrow, one day. That's why Bhagavanta, God has blessed us with 2 things, memory and forgetfulness. If I don't have this forgetfulness, my pain will remain for the departed souls. Over a period of time, time is a teacher. Time is the medicine for pain. So that is Ashana Vairagya. Prasuti Vairagya, when you see your wife struggling to deliver a baby, you'll think, oh my God, this much pain, I should never, give this pain to my wife. Is it happening really? No. So, all the Vairagyas which we have mentioned, they are not permanent because they are connected to outside world. Again, under the influence of the Maya in the world, I am coming back to the skin level, Charma Sukha. So I need to develop a Vairagya inside me. Vairagya is Vishesha Raga. This Raga outside, I am getting attached to the world and the samsara, is a normal Raga. It may give pain, pleasure. My Guruji used to say, Subbu, the one who is really sacrificing is the people who are materialistic. They have sacrificed a great treasure called bhakti and moksha. The spiritual people are wise and selfish. They are not sacrificing. But moksha, in a lighter vein, he has told. So, I need to develop a Vairagya. All the thoughts have to be analyzed. And on the same lighter vein, I'll advise one thing. Whenever I see my X-ray I broke my arm once. They took an X-ray and I was looking at the finger. Oh my God, this is my finger. I thought they are very beautiful, but like this. So I felt, what will I look like if I take a complete X-ray? Maybe we should keep it somewhere in our house. Family photo. All X-ray only. At least then we can come out of this Sarira Kashri. 2 big holes, 1 big hole. Then I don't apply makeup for my skin, right? So this is Sarira Kashni. You need to meditate inside and arise. When you meditate, the same Panchabhautika Sarira becomes an abode of Pancha Brahmas. You see, everything is a form of mother. And compassion overflows. This is Pancha Brahma Tattvam. It won't remain constantly, don't worry. Occasionally in a spark it comes and goes. That's enough. So I need to meditate constantly. Observe myself, not the world. Think about myself. The God outside who is inside me. Then we don't recognize this body as made up of flesh, bones, mucus. That is why in Lalita Sahasranamam it said,